Everybody, welcome to Robin's house. Today I'm unboxing my oh my goodness, my May Mountain Majesties paper pumpkin. And so I've got this cute stamp set. It says, "You mean the world to me." Oh, let's get this in a different way. For a wonderful man, happy birthday. I love you, best dad ever. You're the greatest. Happy Father's Day. And it looks like some cute little birds. When do you not need little bunches of birds for your cards? Oh, that would be awesome. Comes with a Misty Moonlight ink spot. And then your all-inclusive kit, which has to be opened. So I love the paper pumpkins because they come with everything you need. Now you don't necessarily have to use it all, but it's nice that it comes with it. Now your first paper pumpkin comes with a block that's about 2.5 by 2.5. So it's very usable for very nearly everything. And so the subsequent kits won't have a block in them. You just have to remember to bring it with you if you take it on the go. But it does have, this is some sticky tape, some envelopes. It looks like three each of 3 card designs. Ooh, I see some vellum in there. Very pretty. 2 colors of vellum. That to the side. And we've got a lot of foam squares, dimensionals, and some titles. And then we've got our card bases. Now this card base is a lovely card base. If you wanted more of these cards, you could simply just cut this card in half and you would have 6 cards that you would just attach to a different card base, and you're going to be all set with that. So that's very pretty. Oh, we got more vellum. And we've got some more very pretty cards. So again, this if you like this design, one has a bit of a sunshine to it and one has a bit of a almost sunset look. Very pretty. And then we've got some landscape pieces to punch out and a third card base here that's very cut apartable if you like this design. And then we've finally got our pieces for the cards. So we have our thing. So this is a picture of the stamp set that comes in this kit. I always save mine with it. And sometimes I'll even mark at the bottom. Well, I will always mark at the bottom that this is a paper pumpkin that's May 2025, just so I can remember when I had what it's for. And then your instructions. So very easy. Pictures, because this is for multiple languages. And even though it's for North America, there is still French people and such. So it's nice that it's just in pictures, so you can just follow along and see what to do. And so this is our very fun Mountain Bound, nice and boyish. Doesn't have to be boyish, but could easily be boyish. But they did add some pink pastel. I think it's called Pretty in Pink. No, petal pink in there for the cards. So it will be very fun to get this together, and you can bring it to Let's Get Together, or you can bring it to our paper pumpkin party and have some pizza or some snack and chat while we assemble our paper pumpkins. So thank you so much for watching. Happy crafting.